Hello everyone, Mom's here again. We will try to make summer longer with building a small swimming pool. I found some plates and I will try to make it. You may use any details, any pieces you have. It will be the base of the swimming pool. Then we need to make some angles. I don't have the right pieces and I use the pieces I have, bricks. So we've got the border and we need some stairs. Well, I want to make a water. You may use any blue, light blue, turquoise and transparent bricks you have. And I prefer to make the abstract water, and to make the texture I use various colors and various shapes and various texture. So slopes, I mean tiles, slopes, plates, dots, round shape, and I will make some abstract water. The pattern can be as you want. Well, if you like this video or any other videos of our channel, please share it with your friends and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And the rest of the pieces I've got, I will just put inside the pool. It will make some waves as if someone already jumped into the pool. And I have the idea for jumping possibility like this. Have a nice building day today.